Hi guys, welcome to Connie Trade. Um, this is BTCUSDT. From the previous video that I did, I was actually anticipating a bullish move into that draw on liquidity above this high here, above this high. As you can see, I marked that place, my draw on liquidity. So I was anticipating that price push to that level. Now, why am I anticipating that level as a draw on liquidity? Because from the previous video, the order flow is bullish, the weekly time frame is bullish, the daily time frame is also bullish. In the 4-hour time frame, price has swept liquidity below this relative equal lows into that fair value gap region. This candle low, this candle high, into that fair value gap area there. Beautifully like this, guys, into that region. Price has swept liquidity into that region, and then created a bullish order block. Are you seeing it? This last down close candle created a bullish order block. So I'll be anticipating that price will start reacting at this zone because it has created a fair value gap. So guys, I'll be anticipating this high. However, look at what price did. After forming sweeping liquidity below that low, price started pushing high after forming this order block rather. Price started pushing high, and failed to take that high there. What did price do? Price had to retrace back into that 4-hour fair value gap. So once I see price retracing into this 4-hour fair value gap, there's a way I trade fair value gap. So immediately I see price returning to this fair value gap here, I'll go straight to the 15-minute time frame, guys, to the 15-minute time frame, and look for a shift in market structure there. Now look at what price has done, guys. Price rallied low. Are you seeing that high there? Low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then price eventually formed a lower low here. Are you seeing it, guys? Lower low at this region here into that 4-hour fair value gap region. Let me extend that fair value gap so that we see into that 4 hours fair value gap region. And how do we trade fair value gap? I'll wait for price to sweep liquidity below this low, so that is take the sell stop, then give a shift in market structure. Are you seeing it, guys? Give a shift in market structure. Once price does that, I will not be entering for the buy, even with this fair value gap. This fair value gap to me now is invalid. I will not be entering any trade. Now look at what price has done. Price has pushed higher into that draw on liquidity. However, I will still show us how price, what we can do here to anticipate price push to that level. But for me, my higher time frame draw on liquidity is this level, this 109 640 68 level. That's why I'm anticipating that price push high in the weekly time frame. Now in this 15-minute time frame, the way I trade fair value gap is this. As price has taken liquidity below this low here and this low also, these lows, as price has raided liquidity below those lows and gave a shift in market structure bullish here, give a shift in market structure here. Are you seeing it? As price has done that and has given a bullish market structure here, bullish shift in market structure, that change of character, what will I be doing, guys? I will not be entering that trade yet. I want to catch the big move, so I'll be waiting. You see all these people that I've bought now to this level, I'll be waiting for price to use them as liquidity. So once price takes liquidity below this now, give me a shift to market structure bullish, then I'll be entering for the buy that I'm anticipating on. And let's see how price plays for tomorrow. And moreover, what am I seeing here? I'm also seeing an order block. Are you seeing this down close candle, guys? I'm seeing an order block, and remember, that's a bullish order block, and for every bullish move, every down close candle should support price. So I'm expecting that price will retrace to this order block here before giving that opportunity to go high. So now the way I trade fair value gap is this. Price has swept liquidity below this fair value gap into that above this fair value gap into that fair value gap and give a shift in market structure. I'm waiting for price to come and sweep this low. I'm waiting for price to come to sweep this low, guys. Take all the buyers, the sell stop rather, to take out the sell stops there and then give a shift in market structure that I'm anticipating. Or price does something. If I see price do this, maybe come lower, push high, giving liquidity. Are you seeing that now? Liquidity. That's this lows, this lows here. Are you seeing it? Liquidity, and eventually price push high. If I see price do this with a fair value gap, order block breaker, I'll be entering for the buy to continue that move like this, guys. However, I'm waiting for price to come and do what? To come and sweep this liquidity here like this, to come to this low. Are you seeing it? Let me just push high, comes like this to take this low, guys, then possibly push up one more time, failure swing, a shift in market structure. Once price is takes this high, I'll be entering for my buy. Or once price takes that high and does this push high, leaving a fair value gap, mitigation and order block, I'll be doing what? Once price return to the mitigation block or the fair value gap, I'll be taking my buy, guys, into that high level here, into this level here, as my potential draw on liquidity on the higher time frame. So that's my anticipation for price, guys. That's what I'll be anticipating that price does in this 15 minutes time frame. So I'm waiting for price to come and sweep that liquidity below this low here and give me a shift in market structure that I've been waiting for. Then there, massively without fear, I'll be entering for a buy. Remember from the other video analysis, I say I'd rather buy than sell. I'd rather buy than sell. So all this retracement, I'm not interested in this retracement for now. Even this retracement that is coming though, I'm not interested in it. So I'll be waiting to see what price does in this level here into that 4-hour fair value gap. Let me draw this other block out in time to see the way price is going to react at that level. This down close candle, I'm expecting it to act as support. I'm expecting that fair value, the other block there, to act as support. I keep calling this fair value gap to act as a what? As a support. So I'm waiting for price to act as a support. That's a region there. The other block to act as a support. So if I see price sweep liquidity below this low and push to that level, then give a shift in market structure. Even if it's the lower time frame, like the 5-minute time frame, I will be taking that buy, guys. So that's what I'm anticipating on BTCUSDT. So until that time, guys. Okay, sorry, I just remember this this place. I said I was going to give us the analysis. Let me take this out. What made this price to play like this is this, guys. Look at, after sweeping liquidity below this low into that 4-hour fair value gap in the 15-minute time frame. Now look at what price did. Price has pushed high, low, failures in, broke structure below this low. Are you seeing it now? Form a swing low here, swing high, swept that level there, and then what? Formed the range, and price eventually came back, guys. Came back. Price took liquidity above that level. Are you seeing it now? Giving us a shift in market structure in the lower time frame. Give a shift in market structure. Are you seeing it, guys? So now, once you see this, you can go to the 5-minute time frame to see if price is definitely going to move or not. Now look at it in the lower time frame, the 5-minute time frame. Look at it, guys. In the 5-minute time frame, price has raided liquidity below those lows, below those this low, this low, this low. Are you seeing it? Break of structure, down to this level. and then price did what? Give a shift in market structure at this region here. Price gave a shift in market structure at this region here, guys. So after that, what do we see? We see the range. The range is from here. This is the last low price reacted to before breaking that structure or changing character there. This level to this level, guys. So from there, what am I seeing in the discount area? A fair value gap is here, this candle low and this candle high. However, there is an order block. Are you seeing it? Fair value mitigation block. Order block and mitigation block. So now once I see price doing that in the 5-minute time frame, what do? I go straight to look at fair value gaps, order block, mitigation breaker. Now once I saw this, I saw something here, guys. What did I see? I see this fair value gap here. I saw this fair value gap. Are you seeing it, guys? Although I didn't take any trade, just watching the chart to see what it does consequently. Now at that level, what would we do? Go to the 1-minute time frame to look for a shift in market structure bullish, if it occurs or not. Yes. Now look at what price did, guys, at that region. Guys, look at it. We will trade fair value gap. What has price done? Price did something. Let me push this. That was the 5-minute fair value gap. What has price done? Price has swept liquidity below this low, push form a swing high. Are you seeing it now? Swing high to this level, swept liquidity below that level into this bullish order block. So I'll be calling here my potential break of structure. Are you seeing it, guys? This is the break of structure. Then after breaking structure, what the price shifted structure above at that high. Price shifted structure, guys, at that level. So what would I anticipate? I will be anticipating that what price formed a low and take that low with a shift in market structure. Price take this low and look at what price did, guys. Into that level, price swept that low and then did what? Gave a shift in market structure here. Are you seeing, guys? A shift in market structure here. Once I see price returning to the discount region, however, there's a fair value gap here. Once I see price returning to that level, I do what? The other block here, I buy from there. However, this did not give me a fair value gap that I'll be looking for. It doesn't give me a fair value gap, so I might necessarily not enter into this trade. I'd rather wait for price to come to this low here. However, price pushed up, came lower one more time, form another block and did what? Broke structure above that level. That's another way I can trade it. Broke structure above that. I seen it. Broke structure above that level there. And what do I have lower here? I have another block. I seen that, guys. And other block. So that's why I'm facing the price push from. I seen that, guys. And massively price pushed higher into that draw on liquidity on the high time frame. Are you seeing it, guys? Are you seeing it? So this was the reaction that I would have been anticipating before this move into that draw on liquidity. So that's it, guys. That's it. So until next time, good luck, good trading, and stay safe, guys. Bye.